Hello everyone! For today's video, we will do unboxing with BFWood bamboo hair brush set. This is MamaG and welcome to my channel. BFWood brand story. Enabling people to keep their hairs in top condition is always at the heart of everything we do. We started by designing brushes and combs and constantly strive to improve and grow by adding more products. Our story is still continuing as our products become ever more popular because of the skillful craft work and use of high quality materials. We have made it our mission to never yield to imperfection. BFWood bamboo hairbrush set, eco-friendly wooden hairbrushes and combs set for all types of hair in family. A cotton storage bag protects the brushes and combs from dust and makes traveling with them easy. A notice? A Puddle brush. A soft cushion with an air hole, which offer a massage like brushing experience. Is braiding healthy for your hair? Braiding the hair is a good, protective practice that can save your hair from any breakage, as it strengthens the hair structurally. These Puddle brushes offers a massage-like brushing experience and polish round bristles, which are gently and comfortable on the scalp. These brushes are great for detangling without pulling hair out. They said bamboo hair brushes are durable and long-lasting, making them a perfect sustainable option. The main benefits of a bamboo hairbrush are a healthy scalp, frizz reduction, improved circulation, increased shine, hair growth, and sustainability. This is my first time of having a hairbrush bamboo, and I could say I feel something different, like the bamboo handle is very smooth, the brush is very comfortable, and it's very different from plastic hairbrush. Yeah. So next, wide tooth comb. As hinted at by their name, have thicker teeth to allow larger amounts of hair through. This should be a preferred choice for those with thick, curly, or tangled hair. If you're coming out of the shower or your hair is otherwise damp or wet, a wide tooth comb is only way to go. But to advise you guys, as much as possible, do not brush your hair when it's wet, because that's when it's at its weakest and becomes vulnerable to breakage, split ends, and damage. Even worse, you can actually pull hair from the roots that way. Brush your hair with wide tooth combs when it's about to dry. Next, tail comb. There would have been times when you pick up the rat tail comb and found yourself rather amused and fascinated by it. This variety of comb is sleek with a handle that is tail-like and pointy at the tip. Tail comb can be used in styling, detangling, sectioning, and hairbrush cleaning. So lastly, another Puddle brush, but this one is a mini Puddle brush, so it's perfect size for travel. And no more worries when you go outside with a smaller bag, because this one you can put inside. Yay! All brushes and combs in this set are manufactured using 100% natural bamboo. Bamboo is a green material. It grows fast, has a very high yield, and it's sturdy and durable enough to make a lot of useful items. Great eco-friendly alternative. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more unboxing videos and hair tips. Thank you guys for watching. See you again on my next vlog. Bye!